Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change time to 24-hour format in Windows 11. So as you can see on the lower right hand side you have my time here, and this is currently not in the 24-hour but in the 12-hour timing. So in order to change this, simple go to your control panel. You can simple click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and simple type in control panel here. Go ahead and open that. Now from here you will see the clock and the region. You want to click on that. So from here guys, simple click and change date, time or number format. Now as you can see here under my number format, it's currently showing a long and short time, which is showing 8 a.m. and also it's showing 8 a.m. and seconds. Now as you know, for the 24-hour format, this does not contain the AM and the PM. So in order to change this, you want to go ahead and change the long and short format. So you want to click the drop down here and you want to choose the option that does not have the TT on it. So you can go ahead and you can choose, for example, the first option, and as you can see, it changes there. You can choose the second option as well, and you can see that it changed there as well. So you have both of these options here. So once you go ahead and you change this, guys, you realize that the format actually changes and you now have the 24-hour format. So just simply click on apply, then click on OK, and that's all that you have to do. So guys, this is how to change time to 24-hour format in Windows 11. Very easy and very simple.